Have you ever struggled to style your hair the way you wanted it? No matter how long you spend styling it with a variety of different products, your hair still falls flat. Well, we're going to share with you the one product that can transform your hairstyle immediately, showing you how to use it properly to make sure you get ultra volume, incredible hold, and amazing results. Enter the Sea Kelp spray. 75% of guys forget to use a pre-styler when styling their hair. They simply throw on a hair product using too much, which weighs down the hair, and then get frustrated when it doesn't look right. You see, attempting to style your hair without laying the proper foundations is the same as trying to build a house on unstable ground. It's a complete waste of time. But once you use a Sea Kelp spray, you will honestly wonder how your hair ever lived without it. This pre-styler helps add instant thickness, volume, and texture as you've never dreamed possible. Now you might think this is BS. How can a product that includes a simple ingredient like sea salt add so much volume and texture? Well, it's easy to not believe the hype, but every guy who knows and uses a Sea Kelp spray thought the same until they tried it. Our founder Aaron was one of them.
Sea salt spray, really? And everybody's like, yeah, it's incredible. So I'm like, all right, let me check it out. So I tried one and I absolutely fell in love. It was love at first spritz.
So how does it work? Sea Kelp spray works its magic by harnessing the power of natural ingredients, particularly salt sourced straight from the sea. When applied to damp hair, the salt in the spray works to absorb excess oils and moisture. As the hair dries, the salt crystallizes, creating a natural texture and providing you with incredible volume. But not all sea salt sprays were created equal. The majority on the market today can dry out your hair completely. So it's important to choose a sea salt spray that combines sea kelp to give your hair a much needed, nourishing boost of hydration while providing volume. Salt is the perfect combination, so you can reap all the amazing volume and texture provided by sea salt with none of the dryness. It's hands down the best sea salt spray on the market, period. And the reviews do the talking. Now let's talk about how to use it properly to unleash its full potential. Start with damp hair, then spray salt evenly throughout your hair. Hit the areas you want to provide more volume to as well if required, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Using a brush or even your fingers, lightly position your hair into place and hit it with the hairdryer until your hair is dry. Once dry, you'll discover that your hair has crazy natural volume in hardly any time at all. Then, finish off your hairstyle with another styling aid to create extra hold. We recommend either using a small amount of putty to create a strong hold, low shine finish, or you could also use texture powder if you really want to lock in extra texture and volume while keeping your hair looking effortless and natural. What most guys love about salt though is it can be used as a standalone styling aid too, especially on those days when you just need a touch of volume and style. Spray and forget it. The sea salt will work its magic, creating natural volume and hold throughout the day. So what hairstyles does salt work well with? The question should actually be, what hairstyles doesn't salt work well with? It's incredible for guys with thin hair, guys who want a light hold, guys with curly hair, guys with medium to long hair. Oh, and women love salt too. The three hairstyles it works incredibly with are the short texture crew cut, apply sea salt spray to damp hair and lightly use your fingers to add volume and definition. The quiff, start with damp hair and brush your fringe upwards. Then spray your sea salt spray evenly with more focus on the quiff area. Blow dry while using your fingers or a brush to create lift and texture. And surface style, apply sea salt spray to damp hair and scrunch gently to enhance natural waves. So magic in a bottle does exist. And if you're truly fed up with not being able to style your hair how you want, and if you're fed up with wasting time in the morning and your hair still falling flat, grab salt. It's a game changer.